Ensure good contact with the bleeding surfaces. If a hemostatic dressing is available, use it. Apply steady, firm pressure directly over the wound. Use both hands to push down. Place one hand on the dressing and the other hand on top for maximum force. Position your shoulders over your hands, lock your elbows, and push down as hard as you can. If blood soaks through the original gauze pad, don't remove it. Add another gauze pad on top if necessary, replacing it only when needed. Hold direct pressure until the bleeding stops, a tourniquet is applied, and the bleeding has stopped. Someone else relieves you. You are too exhausted to continue, or the situation becomes unsafe. If bleeding stops before EMS arrives, apply a roller bandage to secure the dressing. Place the end of the bandage at a 45-degree angle over the dressing. Continue wrapping firmly to maintain pressure. After securing the bandage, check circulation beyond the injury. If there's a change, the bandage might be too tight. Loosen it carefully if needed. Direct pressure saves lives. Always follow these steps to control bleeding effectively. Stay calm, act quickly, and follow these steps to manage life-threatening bleeding until professional help arrives.